Hey guys, thanks for clicking on us. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video.
This is Trail Trash. I'm Trav.
And I'm Mav.
And this is our buddy Corey. I've known Corey for a while. We used to do construction together, and now we just hang out. So welcome to our series, River Rat.
Yes and no. What are we gonna call this anyways? We gotta figure this out because it's like a mixture of
River Rat. You're good?
We were gonna write script, but we went to bed instead. So, sorry guys.
Back at a river or back at a lake. It's crazy.
Can't beat that, boy. We pretty much got here.
Are you kidding?
Oh, I mean, you can catch fish out here. I catch fish out here all the time, just not today.
Giant fish that y'all got.
Yeah, I told y'all I seen one over here. I thought I was crazy. Somebody threw a stick in the water or something, but no. Hey, fish, they're in there. I know they're in there.
I just don't ever come to Santa Fe River because it's a known river that's hard to get. Super clear and cold.
Yep. It's not the easiest river to fish, but then again, I like the challenge. That's why I've always come here. In the trash. What's he doing, Corey?
He said he had a fish, but he scared it away when he jerked the fish.
That's typical Mav, scaring everything away.
So yeah, got my hook. Yep.
I really want to get a worm.
Ooh, I got something. Oh, bugger, right.
I'm back at my pole. Got my little roly-poly, little worm.
I gotta see about fixating this thing. Hey, little buddy. Oh, don't close up on me. Alright. Here it is, guys. Mealyworm and a centipede. Let's catch a fish. That bait is quite large this year, man. Time of year, I guess. So I guess it is what it is. It's the time of the year, and I don't know how to make this roly-poly visible for these fish. All right, guys, Trav here again. I got my rod, my hook on the end. Gonna make me a little loop here, string, a swivel, loop through, around it at least 4 times. Gnats are ridiculous. I don't know if you can see my hands, but they are everywhere. There's one creature that I can't stand. The only one. The gnat. Can't eat enough of them to survive off of them. Spend all their time in your face. Not fun. Alright, so see what I got going on there. Boom, boom. Trim it up. Pot of gold there in the bag. So guys, update. I noticed some trash over here while I was watching Corey cast out a few times, and come over here to get it. There it is. Some paper. Somebody was deliberately taking notes, see if they left their name, so I can give them their trash back. Not so lucky. There's snakes. Moccasins like it down here. It's been kind of warm today, so basically I'm just kind of trekking out this way up along the bank. View. Can't beat it. That tree right there, we used to swing off that tree when we were kids. I actually got hung upside down one time by my feet. And the river was up just enough that my head was underwater. It was honestly a pretty scary experience. I was probably 17, 18. Looking like this is the road less traveled for sure. Normally your trash, well, can't really say that because I found trash super deep in the woods, but normally that's in bare areas. Parks and places like this, normally it's right up at the front, occasionally through the woods, kids trying to duck away from their parents and dropping trash, but most of the time it is right up front, because people that throw down trash are generally lazy. Ba-bam! We found more worm can. Exact reason why I didn't go buy worms. You got a container to worry about. Whenever I do go buy worms from the store, I'll normally take my own jar. Weigh them in the plastic container and then give them to me in a jar. So yeah. And now I'm gonna head back to the truck. I had my son with me and he loves hot chocolate. So, brought marshmallows. Look at me, I know marshmallows are amazing bait. So I'm headed to the truck to grab them. It's definitely a pipe. Like, how does stuff like that get back here? You know? And I'm not even on the trail. Like, I'm off the cut. It's a pretty day, it really is. It's a little overcast, light sprinkles, but it's been good. We enjoyed ourselves. Time's always good with family and friends. Yeah, looking like we got this part, guys. Alright, making a dent. That's what we like to see. So, down in the comments, if you guys could do me a favor and mark down your trashiest place you think you ever been to that was a park. And later on throughout the year, hopefully myself and Maverick can make some trips, make some changes. Yeah, just drop it down below. Like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. This is just nasty. This is why God sent me this pole right here. He knew I was gonna find a diaper. Skills. When you call marshmallows, marshmallows are there.
Freaking gnats, dude. They're all over my legs. So, got my little stick on a little bush. Travis's kid, Cyrus, son Cyrus, got his thing all tangled up. Got agitated. Called Grandma. Grandma came. Grandma took son. Now, I'm gonna reuse his fishing rod. He wants to be at the campsite. Woo! It is December 30th. I've already said it once, and it is like almost 80 degrees.
At least 80.
It's probably like 76, and the humidity is just so high.
The humidity is ridiculous right now.
Can you see it? Can you see that? You can't see that. I mean, they're all over me. Put a little hole through it. I'll be the first one to tell you right here. I don't know nothing about no fishing knots. I don't know nothing about no regular rope knots. Trav will tell you it's just a Mav knot, and it's just a Mav knot. It's what I use. What do you call it? I have no idea what I'm doing with knots, which I'm willing to learn. So that's cool. I'm not a big fisherman either. I'm kind of blind, so I can't see this fishing rod. That's what I got, man. That's all you need, bro. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. I'm not a fisherman.
It works.
Huh?
If it works, it works.
Yeah, man. If I do.
Not if.
He's like, not if. When you're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. We'll go out here and do it right now. How you doing today?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. Puppies in the boat. Puppies in the boat. That's how we do it here in Florida. All right, dog. Watch out for them snakes. Trav, you back? I'm just gonna toss that out there real quick and let this sit. Extreme fishing! Extreme fishing! See a couple beer cans in the water. What up, bud? Nice. Okay. You ready to see my cast?
Yeah. Ooh. Right in the money spot.
I had a fish over here looking at it, but I jerked it and he was like, oh, he swam away. Probably scaring them. They're like, what is this dude doing on the tree? Is he gonna jump or what? Like, I need to know. So guys, earlier when I was fishing up on this log right here, down here, there is gonna be some trash I'm gonna pick up. So here we go. Went ahead and took my boots off and my shoes. We're going all in! Nope, I just fell in the water. You wear waterproof pants. He is so lucky. I hurt my foot more than anything. Stepped right on one of these knots. Always having fun.
Oh, you're so.
I do it for nature. He's out here trying to get views, Trav.
Shut up. I'll bring it back.
Look at that. Oh, the same way. Oh, I'm about to fail. Holy shit. Big catfish. About like at least 16 inches. Just chilling. So guys, just a few seconds ago I had a gigantic catfish. I wouldn't say gigantic. Yeah, he's good about 16 inches, a little over a foot long. He's been right underneath me. And I leaned over a little too far and thought I was going to fall on it. So I scared him. Some sun in the day. Freaking Florida. Dude, that's the coolest thing about Florida, man. You go to the beach year round, bro. You go to the water year round. You ain't missing out on no water activities. It's like, let's see how quick, or how much we get Mav wet today. Back. Mouth is going. How y'all doing today? Oh, great, man. Oh, really? Hey! Let's take a minute to breathe. Just look at that beautiful. Nature's neat. Nature. So I think I'm done for the fishing. I got the sea fish, you know, I'm climbing, I'm having a good old time. So I think I'm done for that. So I'm gonna get my things together. Anyways, Trav's picking up trash. Corey's still fishing. I hope he gets something because supposedly he's really good at it. I, on the other hand, am not and don't have the patience to sit and wait. So I'm gonna pack up and we'll see you shortly. So guys, you witnessed me make this temporary fishing pole. Let me toss it out and try my hand at some fishing. I will be the first one to tell you, I'm not a big fisherman. But I'll try. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be out in the woods for 4 days, and this is just the start. We haven't even got to our spot yet. Nowhere near our campsite. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon. Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap. I'm gonna say it one more time. Oh snap! Water pumps. No, never mind. Okay, never mind. We're good. It's a root. Stay tuned, guys.